Good morning, dear students. Here I welcome you to your English class of class 2. Okay, this is your online class of English 2nd and the book name is Tree Top. Okay, students, so are you ready to do your notebook work? Okay, so let us start our first lesson. As you have studied first lesson, that is poem. Okay, students, I will show you here. You have studied first lesson only one mother, that is the poem. Okay, now today we will do the notebook work. So firstly, take out your English notebook. Okay, students, now see here, this is your notebook. So first you will write the date and then CW and then write lesson name, lesson 1, only one mother. Okay, write the lesson name in first 4 lines. Okay, students, as I have written in the notebook, same you will write. And next line, poem, because this lesson is a poem. Okay. Now, you will write the poem from your book. Hundreds of stars in the pretty sky, comma, hundreds of shells on the shore together, comma, hundreds of birds that go singing by, comma, hundreds of lamps in the sunny weather, full stop. Hundreds of dewdrops to greet the dawn, comma, hundreds of bees in the purple clover, comma, hundreds of butterflies on the lawn, comma, but only one mother, the white bird over, full stop. Okay, so this poem you will write in your notebook. Okay, students, so this is the poem. You will write like this as I have written in my notebook. Okay, write in neat and clean writing. Okay, and spelling should be correct. Okay. After writing this poem, then you will write the word meaning of this lesson. Okay, then on next page, on new page, you will write the word meanings. First of all, write word dash meaning. Number 1 is dewdrops. Dewdrops meaning is small drops of water. Number 2, greet. Greet means welcome someone. Number 3, dawn. Meaning is early morning. Okay. So in this lesson, in this poem, there are only 3 word meanings. Okay. So you will write these also and learn these also. Okay, students. After writing the poem and word meaning, you have to learn these also. Okay. So this is your notebook work, copy work, okay? Only you will write the poem and word meaning in your notebook. Other work we will do in our book, that is the book exercise. So after poem, on next page, book exercise is given here. Let's recall and answer. These we will do in book, okay? So first is fill in the blanks with the words from the poem. Okay, these are given, fill in the blanks, and with the help of the poem we will fill these blanks. Okay, students. Now let us start. Okay, students. Now first see first blank. There are hundreds of stars in the pretty sky. Okay, so write here sky like this. Understood? Very good. Now next is there are hundreds of dash on the shore. What is on the shore? There are hundreds of shells on the shore. Okay, so write here shells. There are hundreds of shells on the shore. Write the correct spelling SHELLS, shells. Now next, number 3, hundreds of dewdrops greet the dawn. Spelling DAWN, dawn. Number 4, there are hundreds of bees in the purple clover. Number 5, there are hundreds of butterflies on the lawn. Last, number 6, but there is only one mother, the white word over. Spelling is MOTHER, mother. Okay, students? Write the correct spellings and write in neat and clean writing. Next exercise. Let's understand and enjoy. The words together and whether have the same last sound. They are called rhyming words. Okay, so these words are having same last sound. Okay, that is together, the, okay, and whether, the, THER. So last sound is same here. Okay, so these are called the rhyming words. Now find the rhyming word for each of these words from the poem. Now here words are given, so you will find the rhyming word for each. Okay, so tell me from the poem. Okay, आपको poem में से इसको find out करना है rhyming word. First is sky. So what is the rhyming word of sky? You can see here in the poem. Hundreds of stars in the pretty sky, hundreds of shells on the shore together, hundreds of birds that go singing by. Okay, so last sound sky, by. So this is the rhyming word of sky given in poem. Okay, so we will write by, by. So write here, write like this on the given space. Next, number 2, down. Okay, so let us find the rhyming word in the poem of down. Now see here, 5th line of the poem. Hundreds of dewdrops to greet the dawn, hundreds of bees in the purple clover, hundreds of butterflies on the lawn. Okay, so here lawn is given the rhyming word of down. Okay, so we will write LAWN, lawn. Okay, write it. Now number 3 is clover. Now again we will see the poem. Clover. Now 6th line, hundreds of bees in the purple clover, hundreds of butterflies on the lawn, but only one mother, the white word over. Okay, so here rhyming word of clover is given over. Okay, so write over, OVER, over. Okay, so see again the rhyming words. Number 1 sky, rhyming word by. Number 2 down, lawn. Number 3 clover, over. Okay, clover, over. So write these rhyming words in your book. Now come to next page. Okay students, now come to page number 12. An activity is given here. You can see activity written. Color the card. Okay, what you will do? Color the card. You will color the card. Okay, in this picture. Understood? So this activity is of coloring. You have to color the card. And card is Happy Mother's Day. Okay, color it. Understood? Color this picture nicely and make it beautiful. Okay students, so this is your homework. So today's homework is you have to color the card, okay, in your book. Okay students, so do your classwork and homework both in neat and clean writing. Thank you. Have a nice day.